ईस्वी सन 1958 बिहार के मुजफ्फरपुर जिले में हाजीपुर अनुमंडल के गांव बसाड़ और बनिया के बीच फैली कृषि भूमि में इस खेत के बीचों बीच इस छोटे से टीले के सामने खड़े हैं भारत के जाने माने पुराणनवेशी डॉक्टर अनंत सदाशिव अल्टेकर और उनके सहयोगी। ये छोटा सा उथला टीला उस
The first time in the history of Indian theatre, archaeological excavation comes alive on theatre stage. The infodrama Asthi Kalash, based on the 1958 excavation of the relic stupa at Vaishali by Dr. Anant Sadasiv Altekar, the drama reveals the untold stories from the Indian history and ancient literature. Starting from the first spade at the ancient site of Vaishali, the play moves through the events of the last journey of Buddha 1 year prior of his Mahaparinirvana, and thereafter takes the audience through the 2500 years long and momentous journey of his corporeal relic from the 5th century BC to 20th century CE up to the final retrieval of the relic casket in Vaishali. The 1958 excavation of the Sharir Stupa. With every cultural level exposed, a forgotten episode of the antiquity comes alive on stage. The saga of the last journey of Buddha. The Amrapali venerates Buddha at Vaishali. Amrapali's Lawrence Rower. The last look of Buddha at Vaishali. The last meal of Buddha at Pawa in the house of Chunda the Smith. The Mahaparinirvana Buddha at Kushinagar. And the distribution of the corporeal remains of Buddha. 3rd century BC. The collection and redistribution of the corporeal relic of Buddha by the Emperor Ashoka into 84,000 stupas built all over his empire. The 7th century CE, the visit of Wensang to Vaishali and his description which provided the clue for the 1958 excavation at Vaishali. The first drama on the subject of archaeological excavation. The infodrama Asthi Kalash. The saga of the Buddha and his corporeal relic, a journey that doesn't terminate.